Hello everyone, welcome back. Today I would like to talk about the importance of daily sketching. Many people believe that great paintings come only from talent, but in my experience, improvement comes more from regular practice than natural ability. One of the simple and most powerful ways to grow as artist is through daily sketching. A sketch does not need to be perfect. It does not need to be detailed, colorful, or ready for an exhibition. A sketch is simply a quick way to record what we see, what we feel, and what we observe around us. Daily sketching is like exercise for artists. Just as athletes train their bodies every day, artists train their eyes and hands through sketching. The more we sketch, the better we become at understanding shapes, proportion, light, shadow, and composition. Many beginners feel afraid of making mistakes. They worry that their sketches are not good enough. But the purpose of sketching is not to create a masterpiece. The purpose is to learn. Every sketch teaches something new. Some sketches teach us what worked well, other teach us what to improve. Both are equally valuable. Even spending 10 or 15 minutes a day with a sketchbook can make a big difference. You do not need expensive material or a special studio. A simple pencil and a small sketchbook are enough. The world around us offers endless subjects for sketching. We can sketch trees, mountain, buildings, people, animal, or everyday object at home. We can sketch while traveling, sitting in a cafe, waiting at a bus stop, or relaxing in a park. Daily sketching also improve observation skills. It teaches us to slow down and notice small details that we often miss in our busy life. We begin to see the shape of clouds, the movement of people, the pattern of leaves, and the way light changes throughout the day. For watercolor artists, sketching is especially important. A strong painting begins with a strong drawing. Good sketching helps us simplify complex scene and create better composition before we start painting. Sketching also builds confidence. When we fill page regularly, we become less afraid of the blank paper. We learn to trust our decision and express our ideas more freely. Another benefit of daily sketching is that it helps us develop our artistic style. When we sketch often, we stop copying others and begin to see the world in our own unique way. Some days our sketch will look great, other days they may not. That is completely normal. Progress in art is not always easy to see from one day to the next. But if we continue sketching regularly, we will be surprised by how much we improve over time. I have learned that inspiration does not always come before we start working. Often, inspiration appears while we are sketching. The simple habit of opening a sketchbook and making a few lines can lead to new ideas and creative discoveries. So, I encourage to my artist friends to carry a sketchbook wherever you go. Sketch without pressure, sketch without fear, sketch for learning, not for perfection. Remember, every great painting begins with simple lines. Every skilled artist was once a beginner who kept practicing. In the end, daily sketching is not only about improving our art, it is about learning to observe more carefully, think more creativity, and enjoy the process of making art. Thank you and happy painting.